Hold on a second and look around you. We have to face it. We have to look after all of it. We better do it fast. We better do it now. There's no time. We have to save nature. We have to save the green. Hey, look at the birds, they're flying. I want to keep them alive. What I'm trying to say now is don't throw it away. We better do it together. Please, I'm asking to fight together. I want to save it all. No matter who you are, no matter where you come from, this belongs to all of us. It's our duty to keep it clean for the rest of humanity. You want to help me?